Get going. Today, we're going to discuss SketchUp or SolidWorks, which one is the better option for you. Now, let's start with SketchUp. SketchUp is really a beginner level, entry level, uh, 3D modeling. Let's say you're absolute beginner that doesn't know anything, or you're just starting out with your 3D modeling journey. In that case, obviously, SketchUp is the way to go because they have pretty much basic stuffs that you can go with. You can easily create 3D shapes and things like that. On the other hand, SolidWorks is a bit more advanced than SketchUp. So if you're looking for more complex works, then SolidWorks is the way to go. Again, I wouldn't recommend SolidWorks over SketchUp because if you're actually looking for something that gives you, value for money and you're willing to invest, I would say go for Rhino 3D. But between SketchUp and SolidWorks, the decision is pretty simple. If you're just getting started and you need a free pricing, in that case, a SketchUp. But if you need something a bit more, let's say, you know, advanced, in that case, a SolidWorks, but the best option would be Rhino 3D. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.